Uh, it's Friday. No. Let's see. What am I doing? I don't know. I need to close a few windows and yeah, let's close this and let's close this as well. There we go. There we. Let's see. No. Chicken. Where's my chicken? There's my chicken. There's my chicken. What a good boy. I'm working. It was time to pick up this project again. I did some work off stream, and what I actually did, but I did not test it out yet. The chicken is supposed to spawn or show like an icon, like if it's gathering. Hey, Mimitrutz, how are you doing? Good to see you again. So already encountered like a bug. Like you can give a command if the chicken is gonna collect stone, like if it's gonna mine or if it's gonna collect some food. And I thought it would be smart to indicate what they are collecting. But I booted it up. I had a small bug, tried to fix it, and I was like, let's live stream the bug fixing because that's fun. So yeah, spawning the chicken is exclamation mark chicken, and then you can actually do exclamation mark mine or exclamation mark food. And based on that, they will do something and they will gather some items and bring it back to the drop-off point. That's the. Can I actually point at it? Yeah, this is the drop-off point. Stream debug. You're calling the police? Oh no. Hey, it's game development, It's part of the game. Part of the game to debug. Hey, Mark Odin. So there are a couple of things that I actually need to do, or that are probably needed. So, oh yeah, and I made two new chickens. A light blue one, and what was the other one? A red chicken. So we have a yellow chicken right now. We have just a normal blue chicken. So yellow is the most common one. We have a blue chicken. I think that's, well, that is less common than the yellow chicken. And then we have the purple chicken. And I think the light blue and the red one are less common than the other ones that I just mentioned. And we also do have the demon chicken. I did not reset the chicken spawning yet, so if you already made a profile, you will still get the same chicken. I will fix that some other time. What engine are you using? I am building I'm building this in Construct 2. So that's a program that I've been using for 8 years or so to build games. It's kind of like Game Maker and Stencil. Yeah. So my chicken is not collecting something right now, but I thought it would be wise to build like an inventory for the drop-off point. Inventory drop-off, and I need to fix the equipment. I do think that I know what is causing the issue right now. Like it is supposed to spawn an item near the chicken, and that item should stay like on the chicken's back, we also had like a notepad list. Let's also get that on the screen. Twitch notes. There we go. So the drop-off point is going to become a chicken coop as it currently stands. It's gonna be like a chicken coop. Does it use C++? No, it's just a visual like visual style of programming. You can do some JavaScript in it if you want, but it's mostly just visual. I actually can show it. It looks like that. The screen on the left, it looks like that. So you just say like, hey, if this happened, then this happens, and you can do some JavaScript in it if you want. If you're, if you can do some JavaScript. But still, you're building like functions and systems and whatnot, so it can become quite complicated. So let's check the list. Maybe I should not write it down on my notepad, but just use the notepad list. And let's go over it. So I actually do want the inventory for the drop-off. Maybe that was also, yeah, we had some building, building progress, egg breeding, tau collision. What was the one again? I don't know. So we have a drop-off. We do need to, because the chickens have an inventory. They will pick something up and they drop it off at the drop point, and I need to store what they are dropping off at the drop point. So that's the inventory. And the idea is, once there are enough items at the drop-off point, a chicken coop will be built. And then we have collectibles like food and seeds. Well, we have small bushes right now, and that's just if the chicken goes there, it will collect that item. But we need maybe some sprites to indicate that, now the bush will just be destroyed and then be gone. But it needs an animation. Robin needs 99 wood. Ah, yeah. Yeah. We could make like a commander chicken called Robin. Well, if someone in the chat is called Robin, that person could spawn a chicken right now. So you can just spawn a chicken if you want. Just use exclamation mark chicken, and an egg will appear. Is that easy? So yeah, there we go. It should work, right? Let's remove the list. Oh no, it's not working. Well, maybe I need to rebuild the game. 1 second. There we go. Could you try again, Mimitrutz? Oh no. Ah. There you go. You have the blue chicken. You already spawned a chicken before, right? Noise. Let's spawn a chicken. We are blue chicken brothers. No, the first time, really. Oh yeah, well, you got a blue chicken. So when you spawn a chicken for the first time, a chicken is selected from the spawn list, or from the item list, so to say. So right now on my PC, there's a profile called Mimitrutz that stores the data that you have a blue chicken. And what you could do is say mine, and then my chicken will collect stone, or it doesn't necessarily collect stone. Yeah, as you have seen, it was just behind the notepad. It will walk around, but once it gets in contact with stone, it will pick it up and then bring it to the drop-off point. There you go. My chicken is doing some work. And yeah, so it collected like stone, and then that stone should actually be stored in the kill. Mimitrutz, what are you doing? I removed the destroy command, so you can't destroy your chicken anymore. Let's check the list again. So camera, auto cycle. Oh yeah, right. That's also something to do that we built. We can zoom in the chicken and we can cycle the chickens. so we can actually like a spy cam. Like, let's see what Mimitrutz is doing. Oh, right. Just walking around. There we go. Nice. Enjoying the environment. What am I doing? I'm just working. Let's see. Where's the list? So we do have a Kama cycle, but I need to press a. There are no commands yet. I also need to show the commands. Show commands. Oh no, it's okay. Like, testing is good, because if you are trying to do something, then I need to see what you're actually trying to do. And if it's something that you want to see in a game, then we can both check if it's something that I need to build. Mine, yeah. So you can type in mine or food. What else? VIP list. There is a VIP list, but I haven't developed that yet any further. You know what was possible with the chicken red. Wait, there's a bug. Stroomkabel, chicken. Wait, what's going on? Right. Okay. Thanks, Stroomkabel. That was good. That was good. You will get a red chicken soon, Stroom. Why? Yep, there we go. I forgot to do something. As always, there's a red chicken and there's a light blue chicken. Mimitrutz food, chicken wings, hot dogs, and a bologna chicken, macaroni chilling with my homies. What? Let's debug again. Oh, no, that's a wrong window. There we go. Bam. So, Stroomkabel, could you type in chicken again? There we go. You got a red chicken. Oh. Oh, amazing. That works perfectly. Awesome. Still need to fix something. You got a very special chicken. I need to fix that. It's fine. Yeah, well, for now it is. I'm not gonna rebuild the game, but you know, just so you know, this is just for now. So let's see, chicken. It is supposed to be like that. Movement speed 48. Rotate object. No, please do not rotate the object. Disable. Let's just That's supposed to be 8. Maximum speed 48. And let's also not rotate this chicken. No. Diagonals. No. Save. Your speed. Solinator. Exclamation mark. Chicken. My chicken has a lot of speed. Yeah, your chicken is just flying, man. Alright, for the Solinator. No, oh, yeah, well, that's correct. 99. Solinator got a yellow chicken. The Stroomkabel chicken is insane. He's a red devil, just flying around. Okay, back to the list. With the current progress of this project, it's gonna take 10 years to finish or to accomplish something. what did you feed your chicken? We got some of those special red pills. So the VP list is their change drop off. Well, yeah, build progress. We need to show that egg breeding. That's something that's gonna be super difficult. Yeah, so we actually made this already on the list. The coop inventory. It's gonna inventory drop off inventory counter. I think making a counter for the inventory is kind of important. The god chicken, it's in there. I also do want to make some grass and pebbles, or at least have some moving grass. Command. So there was a request to make a poop command. Totally doable, but I want to make that an exclusive command for VIP members. And also, there should be something that you can actually type in exclamation mark commands and do it. And that shouldn't be that difficult to do. Like if you do exclamation mark commands, normally you would see a list in the chat because you can actually do exclamation mark scaffa. Well, that's Streamlabs responding, but I can also make the game respond and maybe temporarily show the commands on screen. That's a nice one. Yeah. Show commands and then with a timer. So it will just pop up from the side, show the commands or command list, and then move away after like 2 seconds or so, or 4. So if I'm correct, Stroomkabel's chicken has been fixed. Let's move this back there. Let's enlarge. Let's do this and then just make this bigger. There we go. Nice. You would do it in the chat? Yeah, I could, or I could do both. You know, I could send a message from the game to the chat and then or have Streamlabs respond. But there are multiple ways to tackle it. Yeah. So let's well, I just want to see. There we go, Stroomkabel. Show your moves, Stroomkabel. Stroomkabel cam. I need to fix something, which would be a very nice thing if it works. Maybe there's a weird thing though that there should be like equipment on the back of a chicken. Let's show this on stream. There you go. Yeah, there you go. There you go. The chicken working as intended. Normal day is dev. It is not working. Why? It is working. Why? Yeah. Yeah, the funny thing is, like, I know why it is not spawning an object, and it's a issue that I've dealt with other projects. But always I need to come up with a somewhat like a slightly different solution to fix the issue. The problem, to explain it in short, with the way how Construct works, like this right here that you see on the left, like this is like hatch. This is called when the egg animation is done. And after the egg animation is done, a chicken is actually spawned from that egg. Like that is what happens here. And the issue is, like how it is read is just from top to bottom. And while this object is created, let's say I'm the yellow chicken, I spawn myself, it will do these things in sequence, right? And I made a function that's being called right there to spawn equipment. And that is actually what is happening, like right here, like equipment spawn. And let's check which chicken is spawning something. And the issue is that let's just say it goes so fast that while trying to recognize which chicken we are talking about, the chicken is still being spawned. So it doesn't know, like, which chicken are you talking about? So if I call this function, it does this spawn thing. Like I do see something in my console, but here I also check in my console, like, hey, check spawn equipment, but it doesn't, throw it out because it can't find a chicken yet. Where's your chicken? Well, let's show the chicken. Let's go to the global cam. There we go. Betty Spaghetti. How are you doing, Betty? There's the purple chicken. So far on the field, Betty Spaghetti has the rarest chicken. No one has the demon chicken yet. Betty Spaghetti, I'm doing fine. It's weekend, busy week, so I thought, like, let's mess around with the chicken project for a couple of hours. And we have some lovely chickens moving around. Yeah. A few things happened this week. Yeah. No, it's some students. Some of my students were very enthusiastic to follow my Twitch channel. Stroomkabel has the speediest. Actually, Stroomkabel has the rarest of chickens right now. He has a buggy chicken. So let's try to fix the equipment, because I think that's gonna look very fun. Because I created a small pickaxe for the chickens that can mine, and I created a small wee basket for the chickens that collect food. Cute. It's some, temp art, but if it works, it works. But I need to find out, like, how to properly spawn it, and that's something that I have to do over here. Hey, the pay me. We have a chicken party. Still waiting for demon chicken. Yeah, no one has gotten the demon chicken yet. Oh, this is so silly. I promised. Yeah, I did. I could make it. The pay me, if you really do want a demon chicken, I can make it, but I need to make some custom code for that. Solinator, what you can do with your chicken right now is oh, your PC is muted. You can't hear. Let's see. Yeah, right. Yeah, Mimitrus. The pay me is the. I think the pay me has a good suggestion for a good mic. The pay me Mimitrus is looking for a good USB mic. He wants to start out with streaming, and I said maybe like a Blue Yeti, but I think he has a budget of $150 or even more. No Blue Yeti. Well, good thing we asked. All right. So the pay me is giving advice about the mics. What was it again? The Payme wanted the demon chicken. Assets. The Payme. Maybe mods should have like a separate profile. Yeah. That would be good. Right. Inventory. I fixed the red chicken, but I need to rebuild the game. And then the chickens need to be respawned again. The equipment. Man, the equipment is a tricky one. I'm not... I will try to... I need to... I should not look at the chat. I will try and focus on the equipment, because once that is done and working, it should all be fine. It should all be fine. So I moved the equipment functions down there. It should work, maybe. So let's keep it there. Let's post a comment. This should work, maybe. So let's keep it there, and then we have to check the drop-off point. And for that, I do want to make like a debug style of text, because I'm not gonna make a inventory or like a UI thing on the fly right now. So let's just insert a new object and use the... Yeah, we're just gonna use a text object to just say, hey, this is the item or the inventory. Or no, let's just call that one debug and place it on a new layer. Yeah, see the Behringer. Yeah. Let's make a HUD for the game without any parallax. This might be maybe tricky. I don't know. Let's just move it there and call it text. With the way how I share my screen, not everything is visible, but that's why I'm just kind of summing up what I'm actually doing. So the inventory, what we see here, this happens when the chicken is on the drop-off point. So on pod arrived, it will call an action. So the chicken goes to the drop-off point once it has like one item in its inventory. And there's a slight bug that causes it to pick up 2 items, but I don't care right now. So it arrives on its spot, let's just say the drop-off point, and it has the command drop. And that is where we call the inventory subtract. So we remove something from the inventory. And now I actually do need to make something from this function. Removes something from the chicken inventory, and it should move that to the drop-off point inventory. So let's make a event sheet for the drop-off. So we have the code separate and not on a chicken thing. Include event sheet drop. And what would be like, I call it a drop-off point, but suggestions are welcome, like how we can actually call the drop-off. Maybe it's like a construction yard type of deal, you know, where you stack resources. Solinator, what can I do with my chicken chat? I want the chat to answer because I can't turn my volume up. Solinator, oh yeah, Solinator can't hear me. Where I thought I sent a reply. What's your question? Anything else? Some people told me audio. So for anyone that is new in the chat, you can just type in !chicken and a chicken will spawn. Okay. Let's see. Right, the inventory. I will just call it drop off for now. Store. So I'm gonna make a function that calls or that's called drop off. It will store something, and what it is gonna store is I think it's actually like bound 2, and then it's just gonna be 1. I think it's always gonna be 1, but I will like here yeah, you can see it on the stream, like inventory, it will subtract something from the chicken inventory, and then from here on I will call the drop off. It will store something. I will need to, I have to make that function though, but it's drop off. It is gonna store something. What it's gonna store is whatever I send with function param2, and that's the task. So that's something that we need to change later on though, because based on the task, like you do food or mine, and based on the task it will store something. So that's something that we do need to change later on. But and if you look at it, it says like function param2, so that's either food or mine, and we don't send a number along like how much we actually store, because right now the chicken only has like 1 item and it just stores 1 item as well. But maybe later on we can expand it just a little bit, that once you collect food you get a random number of food from a bush, or I don't know, whatever the hell food is in this world. So that's why I'm just sending a value of 1 along with it, and then we go to the drop off point. Oh, Mimitrus, definitely go with a mixer. The Payme is totally right. You want to have those EQ settings. It's easy to it's easy. You can do it. Really, it makes a huge difference, and it's very nice if you can adjust that. That's why a mixer is very, very valuable. Baby spaghetti chicken is stuck, I think. We will rebuild the game soon, and then the chickens have to be respawn. Where is the solinated chicken? Yeah. Let's see if there are any other. Solinated wants his chicken fat. Right. Okay. So let's build the function. Drop off. Store. And we do need to make a yeah, maybe just we need to add like a place to store those values. And I think a separate dictionary, like dictionary is just see it as a book, like an index. Oh, it's called dictionary. But within the dictionary, you can store keys and say, hey, food, we have a key called food, and this has this value. So the amount that we have. So let's make a dictionary specifically for the drop off inventory. So we are able to store the stuff. Can I just say it would be funny if you like spam food that your chicken becomes fatter and eventually explodes? Just throwing ideas out there. Should be funny. It could be like maybe like a mini game. Solinator. Let's see. Well, I could actually let's finish this up first. Drop off. I need to. Right. Okay. Solinator. Well, you can't actually destroy your chicken right now, but that function is there. But I disabled it right now just for testing, and what else? The game should be able to see at some point when someone leaves the chat, so that the chicken also just goes away. All right, Solinator. Oh, the Pygmy is making apple crumble pie. Let's add a key. This is not gonna work. Yeah, that's not gonna work. So we need to set a key, and yeah, and this, yep. And what we actually have to do though is on startup, like the setup, initialize. Dictionary, and then the drop off point. We have to add some keys, and that's either food, and I think either stone. I think it is stone. Yep. Do you want to slice tomorrow? I'm Scuffa. You will bring me some. My brain is melting. You will bring me. You will. Yeah, arrow for. You are gonna bring me. It's your birthday, and you wanna bring a slice of apple pie. It's not like, hey, you can get some, but you will bring me apple pie. That's very nice of you. I can't accept that. I can only accept it if I get the apple pie myself. You live in the city. How long will the stream be? I don't know, Solinator. Maybe for another hour and a half. Depends on if I feel like streaming more. This is just for fun. So maybe an hour, maybe a little bit longer than that. Depends on the progress. I just want to see the chickens, you know. So some chickens are bugged out. That's totally fine. It's not though, but it's totally fine. We're gonna rebuild the game after I maybe fixed a couple of more things. Let's re-implement the destroy command. Yes, there it is. So destroy. That should work. Well, let's not remove that though. So destroy. And it should also equip. No, I'm gonna do that differently. Equip. We also need to destroy the equipment item if it actually spawns. Destroy. There we go. What else? The Payme wanted a special chicken. That's also high on the list. We might have a inventory right now for the for the chicken coop. Let's make it so that the debug text shows the current inventory. Let's see if we can actually do that. Oh my god. It is a good challenge to make the game to talk and also check the chat and deal with the feature creep that's going on. Dictionary. Drop off. No, I don't want to do that. Well, maybe I did. No. Now construct is crashing again. No, it's not necessarily crashing, but something that, you know, Windows. Let's dictionary drop off for each key. This might work. The famous catchphrase. Appendix. Nope. Drop of inventory. Current key. I don't know. I've never done this. Current key, and then just say current add current value. Current value. Dick. Yeah. Yeah, the nice thing is, like, if there's a dictionary, I use like you know, sometimes the first few letters. So yeah, mature noises. Yeah, it's a dictionary. Got it. Oh my god, did he actually say that on stream? Oh my god. All right. Are you seriously going? Yeah, of course. Man, Stroomkabel is leaving us. You were tempted to. How far do I need to go before you actually like, okay, no, that's my limit. That's it. I can't watch this. So maybe the thing will show the inventory. I don't know. Let's check the debugger. What the hell are the chickens doing? Why are they not walking? Maybe Solinator is still walking though. The yellow chicken is walking. Well, the blue chickens are walking. What is going on with the purple ones? And Stroomkabel, I don't know. Stroomkabel is still dancing but not moving. By the way, if you want to play music during streams, I have 2 Spotify playlists with non-copyrighted music. I can Yeah, I saw that. That was on Discord, but maybe you can send a link. I do not have Spotify. I don't use Spotify, but I will install Spotify soon. What do you want me to put on some non-copyrighted music? I could just like in the background. Who's that? What? Flip, yes, but not loud. I'm gonna turn it up. It would give a feeling to the stream. Well, if you want some feeling. Still very soft. Yeah. I'm just gonna play my own music then. So it will definitely feel like a proper fit when it hits the ambient section of the playlist. Let me know if the music is annoying and then I will turn it off. Alright. Inventory. Equipment might be working right now. It fits with the stream. Good. What else? There was also a small thing. Oh yeah, the Payme wanted a special chicken. So I'm gonna make a thing for the Payme. So my valuable development time, my very precious development time, I'm gonna use that to make something to fix for the Payme. How can I actually fix that without destroying everything? It's a good thing to find out though. So if the Payme is purple, I can change it from here. Let's see. What's a Solinator? What's the thing with the chicken wings, hot dog, and balloony chicken macaroni chilling with my homies? Is that from a song or something, or is it just like random, random lyrics? The destroy command will probably soon. It's a meme song, right? Well, I don't know any memes, so. Yeah, let's not start. Yeah, of course I do know some memes, but I'm not really up to date on the chicken wings, hot dog, and balloony chicken macaroni chilling with my homies memes. Play Mr. Wasso Flatbeat. Be right back. There we go. There's some Flat Erik. There we go. I love him. He's my buddy. I will just sit him here. We need a Flat Erik cam. He's awesome. I'm so happy that I was lucky on finding Erik on eBay, and not like a weird, odd-looking one, but a real one. Well, I need this window. There you go, Erik. I'm gonna for next time I'm gonna fix a Flat Eric cam. There you go. He's just he's sitting and chilling. Yeah. Right. The pay me. The pay me. What do you want? It the demon chicken or do you want like a special chicken? If you think about it, like if you have like a specific color or like a color combination, let me know and I will fix it and I will right now make the code so that I can change it for you. Why am I doing that? Because the pay me is a mod and a mod should have a specific chicken. So how am I gonna do that? Well, we do have the chicken list. Serious development going on, people. We have a chicken list. The pay me is purple, so that's the user data. So and we're gonna set the key and that's gonna be demon. I would like to demon chicken, but I also like to challenge you into making a chicken that you think that would resemble me. I made a meme, you can use it on the other streams to share it to be more popular. Viking chicken. You made a meme? That's awesome. I am the meme. I think the chat actually called me a meme. Not joking. Viking chicken. I like that idea. Oh, you know what? Like if you have like specific chickens for video games, yeah, that's gonna be insane. But I do like the Viking chicken. I'm gonna add that to the list. It's added to the list. You can't see the list right now, but it's on the list. Those emojis are the meme. Where the hell did you get Flat Eric? I was very lucky on getting this dude on eBay, like maybe 15 years ago. I think it's about 15 years ago. I bought him when I went to live on my own. And you can still get him on eBay, but the ones that are mostly commonly listed don't really look like the original design. They have kind of like a different designed face. Can you make a forager chicken? How does a forager chicken look like? Like that's just like a white chicken then, I guess. I think so, yeah, maybe. Alright, what we're doing, we built the inventory maybe to the drop point. I might have changed the pay me into demon chicken. I will check that. The pay me purple. I need to change that again. It should be lowercase. The pay me is demon. He's a demon from hell. Yeah, so that's correct, demon. White folding, a starter pick. Well, a pickaxe, carrying a pickaxe should be possible though, because if I fix something correctly, a chicken should have a pickaxe or a basket based on the task that you give the chicken. But that's something that we need to check soon. So I'm gonna change that to 0. Right, and now I was gonna check the chickens because the purple ones are not moving, which is very weird. The blue ones keep moving, but the purple ones aren't. What is so different about the purple chickens? The action, they have the drop task. They are not pot finding. They do have a pot. It's something that we should look for whenever I rebuild the game again, to see if it's solely the purple ones, or is the yellow one is also moving. Make channel points and they can be used to get different chicken skins. It will become an RPG. Could be possible. Yeah, could be possible. I need to find out like a way to see how many points people have, but it could be possible. I'm gonna check my notes. Collectibles, camera, auto cycle. Let's see. System. Camera zoom. Let's do this as well. So let's auto cycle the camera when we are zoomed in. You really want to be the forager. Forager is cool. Yeah, we need to check. We need to check what is possible. So zoom. I don't want to have to zoom in maybe from the start. So let's check something out with the camera. On action. Yeah. Debug. Timer. Let's make a new thing to see. No. Let's make a button that will start the timer for the camera cycle, and let's just make one that is just solely gonna stop the cycle. Oh, we could also do that just solely on one. Yeah, so we don't actually need that. So just gonna destroy those again. Camera zoom will yeah. Timer. So I'm making the zoomed in camera to cycle between the chickens on a timer. So start timer. Come on. Forage is underrated, stay hydrated, and bring water. Yeah. Need to keep drinking water. Timer. Start timer. Zoom. And let's well, 5 seconds. 5 seconds feels nice, I think. So we can test that out as well. Normally I test just one thing, but I don't want to rebuild the game over and over again. Collectibles, food, group, upgrading, building progress. That might also work. Let's I need to build the game. Yes, let's build. Let's move that over there. Well, we can do this differently. Yeah, like that. Exclamation mark chicken. And I quickly need to do something. Maybe 0. That should have changed something. Let's check if it worked. Use the data, the pay me daemon, and I hope that it saves that state. But the equipment is still not spawning, which is annoying. How can I fix that? I'll check. And the debug text is not there. That's on HUD. I might have to do that. And the equipment. I need to fix the equipment because once it is working, it's gonna look very nice. Or we can actually do some more things that will spice up the game a little bit. So equipment spawn, it's still not doing the spawn thing. Yo, good luck with the PM meeting. So chicken spawn equip is still not like properly. Is it still not seeing the chicken itself, which is a small issue. How can I fix that? It is an annoying thing. Wait, yes, I know. Okay. Right. I think I got it. Action. Let's show this. Let's move that over there so we can hear the chickens. Hatch. So what I'm gonna do is actually remove that and move it to the hatch. This will create the item, but it won't properly pin the item. Yeah, that's a tricky one. That is not a solution, because when I spawn the equipment, it should actually know where it should spawn, and I could spawn it on the egg, but still I am still dealing with the issue that the equipment should stay on the chicken and not on the egg. So I still need to figure out like how it can actually see which chicken I'm talking about. You're blue. You're still a yellow chicken, Solinator. In the chat, yeah. So is it something that you can actually change the color in the chat though, or it's kind of like purple? On my end, at least. Fancy. So the solution that I thought would be the solution is strangely enough not the solution. So we do start like a idle timer. Name tag. What? So how? Big instance with the UID. Yeah, maybe. because that is working though. Yeah, we will. Nope. Maybe this will work. You're finding this jam? Good to hear. Good to hear. I enjoyed making this music. It was a long jam though, 13 minutes, but it was fun to do. So instead of using the name, we are using the UID. So every object has like a unique ID, and I'm not sure, like with the name tag it actually works, so hopefully it will work with this one as well. But maybe we do have to make a chicken equipment one just to spawn the equipment first. For the equipment right. System. Oh no, don't eat the chickens. That's the dangerous thing if people start eating chickens. I don't think I'm gonna build that. Equipment. Yeah, we can also adjust maybe the placement a little bit. I'm not sure though. We do want to pin it to the chicken, and solely the position, so that it stays on there. And what we also need to do is equipment, set the value of that to chicken.name. There we go. Equip it. Let's remove that. We do not need that. By the way, this island is just like Forager. Yeah, don't tell anyone. I had to make some quick art. So, yeah, Forager was on my mind, so don't tell anyone. It's a little bit different though, just a tiny bit. So we are spawning equipment with the way this is set up. I think. So let's do this. This should work, or at least work a little bit better. There we go. And also let's do it for this chicken. Oh man, that also sounded pretty good. Why did it stop there? Alright, so the equipment, maybe this works. That means we do not need this, but I do want this though. just to see if it actually spawns something, and we still have the change function. So apologies, I need to reboot the game again just to see if it works. Where's the chicken? No, damn it. Oh no, Solinator is stuck in the neck. Why is there no equipment? So weird. It is actually not even calling the... Oh, right. Oh, I'm stupid. That was dumb. This is what you get when you just try to save up some time and copy and paste. See, the difficulty right now is that we got quite a few variations of the chicken, and I could make this a little bit more convenient to change though, but yeah, especially when you have like 100 chicken differences. You want to live? All right, you should. Maybe it's a new bug again, but let's see if Solinator chicken lives. But still no equipment. What the heck? We do see the text though. So let's at least check out if collecting works. Alright, food stone. Right, I also forgot something in the text. Awesome. Drop off. Set text like this, and then do this. Good testing, good testing. This is all that is needed for the development. Hey Thijs, welcome. Good to see you. Chicken. I suck at Warzone. I know. Are you also starting it, or are you just saying what Bram is? Is Bram saying that you need to say that? Is Bram getting into some hijinks? He's forcing you, right? Right. Yeah. There was no. Don't need it. If Bram was in the chat, he would get a timeout. Bram was stating at the start of a presentation that I sucked in Warzone. I was like, yeah, I know. I played Warzone 3 times or something this week. Like, why? Why would you even say something like that? I know. This is just stating the obvious. Tell me something new. So let's see. Food. Like, the equipment is still not working though, but I'm just quickly gonna check if the debug text for the inventory is working and if we are storing some data. And it is not working. I know why. There we go. This should work soon. Where's the chicken? There's the chicken. Let's move the chicken to the other screen. Thijs, how are your skills in Warzone? Do you agree with Bram, by the way? Like, be careful what you say though. because a mod is watching you. Let's see. Debug. It is creating something, or it is doing something. Do I see equipment in the list? I do see the equipment items. 16 by 16. They are somewhere on the field. So equipment items are actually spawned, and they do have the name. But now the question is more like, where are those objects spawned? MG00. Do I see any items on here? I do see, like, what is going on in this game? I see 3 items that are actually spawned, but I don't see them on the field. And the Betty Spaghetti Chicken is already like bugged out. What are you doing, Betty Spaghetti Chicken? Betty Spaghetti, no task. Has found a path, but it's just not moving. And which animation is playing? Current animation in action. Like the chicken picked something up. It ate a stone. Oh yeah, that's the small bug. What happens is that if you collect food or stone, and at the moment that it actually, like if the chicken is near a stone and food as well, and you pick up food, it will also at the same time pick up the stone. What are you trying to do, Solinator? Let's see if I can. No, I can change the. Kill all. Oh right. Yeah, Mimito, it's good that you did the kill command. Let's see if this works. Yeah. Right, so you can actually destroy your chicken and respawn it again right now. If I'm correct. So if your chicken is bugged out, you can do exclamation mark destroy and then exclamation mark chicken. So there's actually, well, let's test this out again. There's a weird thing that I fixed the spawning of the items. And the items are being spawned. But I don't see them. And the items are also destroyed when you actually destroy your chicken. So that works. So that's one thing. So that's good. So let's see if we can actually find out why and where the items are spawned. They are spawned at the proper layout, on the proper layer. Is this in the front? They might be in the back, but well, let's check the debug again. Equipment, I don't see anything being selected. This one, wait. Wait, what? Yo, Solinator, have fun playing CSGO. Thanks for hanging out. See you later. And next time you can maybe eat the food. I don't know. There's the equipment. Wait. So I need to fix something real quick. Or, well. Let's see if this looks a little bit better. No, what the hell? Oh, right. Oh no, I messed it up. Chicken. It's a little bit too high. Chicken. So it should actually not show the pickaxe. Move behind chicken. That's fine. What does it change the animation to food? No, that it does not, which is fine though. So it is collecting food right now, and at least the text of the inventory is working, like food 2. But now I wonder how this looks. Yeah, not that nice. What if I do -16? There we go. No, that's not good. That looks terrible. Pickups, no. Environment, chicken, equipment of the item. Let's maybe do this. -4. And it's kind of okay. Kind of okay. It's. I can fix that, you know, later. It should be behind this chicken though. Move to bottom. in front of the tile map. Maybe this is better. Let's see how this looks like. Chicken. Yeah, I think it's in the back right now. That's better. That's better. Now I do need to check like why the animation is not changing. The animation of the chicken or the from the object. So let's see. Yeah, you can see this. If you type in mine, the task will change to mine and collect. It will call equipment. Did I just make? I did not make a typo, right, with this function. Equipment. And then change. Equipment name. Equipment item. It has my name, so it should change that. Change equip to. There we go. Let's see if this works with a console command. Because it's saying change with the name, then mine. The equipment, we have mine. Food and none. Chicken. And this is okay, but let's see what the debug currently says. Equip mine. So it does. And now it should actually change the animation. The pickaxe animation should change to the food one. Wait, why? Oh, then it's kind of like the mine. Right, did I copy and paste again? Like a lazy. Yep. And in the beginning, equipment, equip item, set animation to none. Let's move it here. Let's do this. Chicken. So now you don't see the equipment. And if I type in food, you see a small basket. And you know, the placement of the basket or the basket should change, but you know, it's fine. So you do see food stone. Did it actually save the demon chicken for the pay me? Let's see. Use data. It's still purple. Yeah, right. Okay, I can actually fix that. I can fix that because no one is spawning chickens right now. Debug. This was cool. And This might be fixed already. Chicken. There's a chicken. Let's see in the user data. Yeah, the pay me is now a demon chicken. So that's fixed. So now I'm actually able to, in a weird way, I'm able to change that. Solely for the pay me because he is a mod. What else can I do? Notes. Camera auto cycle. Yeah, well, that's difficult to test right now. Mines via playlist. Not gonna bother with that. Change drop off. Build progress. We gotta start with that. Inventory. You know, small inventory right now. Inventory drop off. Inventory counter. We do have some assets that we need. Maybe I should just boot up Photoshop. And do I want some grass tiles? Some grass that is moving. Nah. Viking chicken. The god chicken. There's one thing though that I want to change and see. Let's see. I kind of forgot if I already changed it. Drop off inventory. So we have food and stone. Let's mine and actually see if that works. So you do see the pickaxe. So that's cool. So you do know what the chicken is doing. And now the chicken brings it back to the base. And it's food or stone 0. That's not correct. So that is not working. But I kinda know why though. We have to drop off inventory. User inventory is food and mine. Right. Why does it say stone then? Damn it. So a rock is mine. Well. What I need to do right now is that the tricky part is you have the tasks, you can mine and food. I don't like the term food for gathering food. So maybe you should do mine and just have gather for food. But why I don't do that is because gathering stone, or if you collect stone, is also like gather. So gather doesn't really mean you are collecting food. But I food and mine. Mine will collect right now stone, because or a rock is connected to the command mine. We need to change this. We need to change a little bit. What I want to do at the end is that if you type in mine, it will mine everything that you can mine. So that's not even stone, but like iron or copper deposits or gold deposits. But if you go there, you should like randomly get like stone or ore or whatever. So at some point we do need to make something like, hey, this stone drops these items, and for each item we need like a it's a thing. So let's try and actually make a start with it, because my brain is melting. So type big brain things. Yeah, too much for me to handle. Betty Spaghetti, do you want to test something like either exclamation mark food or mine to see if you get an icon near chicken as well, just to see if you do get an item? There we go. You got a pickaxe as well. That's kind of fun. I like that. I like that you can. We are able to actually showcase which task you are doing right now, just on, you know, a small icon. It's not perfect, but it's nice. So if you change to food right now, you will get a small basket. You will get a different icon. And it would be nice if you collect something that you will see like a small animation of that that thing. See, now you get like a small basket. It's placeholder art. I do like the look of the pickaxe though, but I'm not happy with the small basket. Right, you're also in the game, so let's try out the auto cycle for the zoom. It should work. Let's see if it is doing something. So this is me. Is a camera timer running right now? Because it's selecting something randomly. Well, that is not working. That's okay. 2 is camera zoom, and then zoom start, and that's just only once, and it should be reoccurring. It was only doing the timer once. There you go. The food collecting is not working, or food collecting is working though, but the stone collecting is not, which is maybe we should actually just make it so if you destroy the stone, like just some random items will just drop on the floor first. Yeah, I'm collecting stone. Alleen there's a problem that it is called stone, but the object is a rock. So let's see what is actually happening. Is that in the inventory we have food and we also have mine, but that doesn't make sense because we're collecting stone. So, but it's stored not in a proper way. So we do have something in our inventory called mine, but not stone. And once we go to this music is, by the way, very fitting for the project that we are working on. Time is running out for these chickens. The end is near. They need to build a shelter to survive. Here. That's the backstory. Poor Betty. Poor Betty Spaghetti, the purple chicken. Just collecting food. as much as the chicken can before the bell rings. Just 5 minutes old. Yeah. Oh well. Oh, we do need a gravestone when someone destroys their chicken or leaves the chat. The end is near, chickens. It makes it very dramatic. I'm sorry, Betty Spaghetti. There you go. Just get the food. You will make it. We need a fox. Still the fox, huh? Yeah, it's. I think I actually removed it off the list because I'm not sure like how it could work. Betty is working in the final hours. Let's equipment change. Let's check if we can. Let's remove this. I need to change the values if we can actually fix the resources that we gather. Yeah, someone else had the idea of a fox as well. Like have a fox in the midst of the chickens. I think it was maybe in the first or second stream. It was on the list. A fox, and I think the fox was maybe like a hidden character, or someone could play the fox. It's interesting though, because yeah, a fox. If we are talking about a fox, I would think like, okay, sheep, you know, but not a fox and chickens. But of course you have that riddle with a fox and a chicken on the raft. Maybe. Right, so resources, if we collect something. So we do set a key in the inventory, and we do get. I'm checking this thing right now, like how that works. Wolf and sheep, fox and chickens. Right. Fox and pigs. I think that was actually like a video game. 1 second. I need to check something. Yeah. Fox and pig. What a fantastic title. There you go. The #1 hit. Fox and pig. So good. I think I also have a different game, but not. It's on the shelf. I think it's called Chess. Was it a good one? Yeah, for sure. Yeah, it's a fun game. Let me see if I can. Where is the game? Where did the game go? There's the game. Yeah, it is a fun game. What you had to do in the game is that one was playing a pig, and you were like in a house. Let me put this away. And the other player was the fox, and you had like you were playing in a house, and you had like a so you had a pig there, and the fox was below, but there was like a brick wall in between, and the fox was shooting lasers at the bricks and destroying the the bricks as well. So the objective was as the fox to shoot a laser to the pig and destroy the bricks, and the pig was just walking around, and you had to fix the floor. It was fun. Vos en varken, my kind of jam. Oh, for sure. Vos en varken. Exclamation mark. Food. Let's do this again. A laser fox. Now I heard it all. Yeah, those were the wild days. So, let's see. Can I fix this? Of course I can. I can fix it. But the question is, like, how much time it will take to fix it? I need to fix the resource gathering and what you actually get in your inventory. Oh, the pay me? You're a demon chicken. You're a demon. From hell. Hell. Exclamation mark laser. Oh man. What if a laser would come in and or a fox would come in and had something like a laser gun? Too many ideas. Beware the feature creep. So I need to try and decipher something that I've written down. Let's see. Is there a demon chicken? I might have to reboot the game. 1 second. Not sure. Sometimes it just loses like connection or something. 1 second. Come on, man. Come on. Something about that Windows 10 update. Let's close this. Hey, Fishu. Thanks for the follow. Appreciate it. Oh, I need to select the game again. Here we go. Yeah, the resources. Right, how do I start with this? Right, I need to decipher that. I don't know what the design is behind it. Oh, there's the demon chicken. You collected food though, but that's okay. It's a bug. Demon chicken. Red eyes. It's the rarest of chickens. I will make a special mod chicken. I don't know what the percentage is for chicken. Yeah, I don't know what the percentage is, but let's just say that. Let's check the list. So let's see, 100, 130. So we have 130 different entries, and then of those 130 entries, or 135 entries, like 5 of them are demon chickens. So of that list, a random chicken is selected. So that's the percentage. If you do, it's up to you to do those calculations. Because I suck at math. Mine. Chicken. There's Solina there. There's the yellow chicken. Oh man, this music. Flat beat. Yeah, they have tools. Yeah, I just fixed it. So if you do food, you will get a small basket, and if you type in mine, you will get a small pickaxe. So slowly it's becoming a forager solinator. Slowly. At least there's a pickaxe. Alright, the resources. I need to read something and see what's going on. Because we have food and stone, but you need the Uzis? What's that? Oozels. I don't know what that is. Puzzles. Right. Okay. I like watching the chickens. Alright, I need to read a sentence and see what I actually did there. Where is Stroomkabels LSG chicken? I fixed it. I think the red chicken is no longer tripping. So it makes a key task and a type. Yeah, that's not correct. This is a tricky one. So that's the task. Well, I should actually do it differently. Maybe I need to do this. Type ID is a rock? No. Is it a rock though? Wait. Coup d'état. Oh no. A bush and a rock. Its type is rock. And this is a difficult one. This is a difficult one. On moving along the path is overlapping with environment. So it's gonna check here if the type of the environment is a rock, if that belongs to the drop. Solinator, is the inventory different for everyone? The inventory that you see in the lower, in the upper left is the inventory of the drop-off point. Each chicken has its own inventory though, but that's something that I can't show because that would be too crazy. And the basic gist of it is like you have an inventory though, but you go to the drop-off point, and this is a community collection of resources. So you, as a chicken gang, you need to collect those resources, and what is collected by every chicken is displayed right now in the text. And I think that what we could do, we all have 0 stone. That's what I'm trying to fix right now. So the idea is maybe that you have to collect wood, stone, and food, and you know, just have like that you need to meet a requirement, and once that requirement is met, that then something is will be built. So we are a whole bunch of chickens together like that. Right. And I am trying to fix the stone issue right now, because we are not storing stone in our inventory, but we're storing mine in our inventory, and that's not something that we can collect. That's a task. So I made a small mistake there, but it's kind of difficult to like in the end what I want to do is mine. You got different items on the layout that are like that will drop several kind of resources instead of just, you know, mine. So we collected a lot of food. That's good. And some stone, but we don't see that right now, which is a shame. I need to check something. If I reach 100 food, I will get stone. I hope by the time that it reaches 100 food, I have stone. Or that I fix the stone issue. Let's just say that. You will have a thick chick. Yeah, that could be possible at some point. Oh man, this resource thing. Why did I build it like this? Because I was lazy. That's why. With 3 C's wide. That's a very thick chick. So this is only for that. Collect. Should not. Thick fillet. Thick fillet. Oh man, this is a difficult one, because what would be nice though if you destroy a rock that actually like a few items are spawned, like small sprites that are being picked up. But the question is like, how can I do that? Maybe I shouldn't mess around with that. That's for another time. So the environment type is send alarm to collect. So the type is send alarm. That's rock. Resource collect. Resource collect chicken name and type. Resource collect chicken and type. So that's either like rock. So the type is being sent alarm. And then from there, rock is mine. Yeah, okay, now rock and stone, and food is just food. Nice one there. Particles. Add particles. Add particles. Oh, for sure. There will be particles. Not right now though. That would be a little bit too difficult. I need to fix the gathering first so that we can actually collect stone. But there should be maybe a particle, like a small rock flying away when you are mining, or like that you see some berries flying when you collect berries from the bush, like food. I think I almost... I might have found a solution to fix the inventory problem. Maybe. No. Good to hear you find this fun, Solinator. It's I think it's a fun project as well. It's slowly getting somewhere. I don't know where, but you know, it's taking shape. I already think it's fun that people are able to put in commands and you know, that the chickens actually do something. You know, it's still buggy, but it works. And I like the chickens. I do think that I want to change up the environment a little bit just to make it more lively. Maybe I should change task to drop. And then based on food, it will store food. 38 food left. Yep. As chickens, we worked way too quick because new food and stone is spawned on the map though. There are 9 rock and 9 bushes left, so there will be some downtime. Yeah. I might have fixed the yeah, I need to rebuild. Yeah, apologies. The chickens are gone. So let's see if collecting wood or collecting rock actually translates to collecting stone. And where's my pickaxe? Did I not receive the command? There we go. Oh no, it's still not working. So what does it actually say in the user inventory? Mine -3. That's not good. I think I know what is happening though. Because that's +1. I need to rebuild soon. Because at the start I'm making an inventory for each chicken. I think. Subtract. Maybe did I mess everything up? Maybe. Mm. Where? Yeah, I messed something up, but it's important that I need to fix this. User add. Where is the user inventory? Not in system. Yeah, right. Okay. So this should be stone. File save. Clear. And for food. Yeah, right. Okay. Type. That was a different kind of bug. Now let's see if I fixed it. Mine. And also let's show this. Damn chicken. Is the food working at least? The food is working though. Let's change back to mine. There's stone. Am I collecting stone right now? Pick up the stone. I am collecting stone. I'm not dropping off stone. But this is progress. This is progress. What I need to do... Action and drop. $69 food. That's a lot of food, Solinator. I don't see that amount of food on the screen. There's a demon chicken again. This is let's see. So when we do drop, we do subtract and a task. Fam, chicken name and a task. And from here, wait. I need to check something. You had 69 food, right? And you lost it all. Well, yeah, that's currently there's no way to. There's a way to store all the inventory data at a certain location, but yeah, not gonna do that right now. What was I checking again? So when you action drop, inventory subtract. So that happens when the chicken is at the drop-off point. Right, there's the demi chicken. And what should actually happen, which we have a certain task, you know, let's say you have mine, and with mining you can collect different kinds of things like stone and maybe later on different kinds of ores. What should actually happen is when you get to the drop-off point, it should check which task you are currently on, and it should also check all the items that you have collected so far that are connected to the task. So stone is collected, or stone is a byproduct of collecting, or we could just say drop off everything that you have collected so far. That would make it way easier. Add crafting to it. We are slowly building up to that solinator to be able to craft something. That's why we need resources, but you know, it would be nice to make crafting, but there's a difficult challenge though. Like the first goal is maybe to make a static building, just to build the main base. That's the chicken coop. But from there on, there's a challenge to find out what to build and how to build it and where to build it. And I have some ideas for that. Yeah, stone and wood to make better pick. Yeah, maybe, or just to make more buildings. But let's just, you know, there are some ideas on how to do that. I'm not sure. Like, that's kind of complicated. So first, the focus is on, you know, collecting, making sure we have an inventory, fix some small bugs, and then you know, the next task is to, like, how can we use those resources to actually build something or to upgrade things or other tasks that we can give the chickens. But first I need to fix the resource gathering. That's the most important part. For sure. That's what I could do is maybe drop push. Well, don't think I'm using that. Currently I'm looking in a text file with some things in it, so trying to figure out like how the drop should work so that we can actually drop stone. Ow. Ow, 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 ow. How could this work? How? If we have the drop list and we have, well, why does it say rock? Well, because it's a stone. Shit. Do I need to make just a large list for the items? Items. Should be, maybe that's also useful for later on. Item, and then you have a type, ID. We call this stone, and the task, it's for mining. So we have an item type called stone, and it has a task. It is connected to mining, or that's the way how to get it. It's probably not like the way to go. But we also have food, which is connected to the task food, and I do want to change that command later. Yeah. Yeah. So subtract. Oh man, this music. Chicken. The chickens are trying to escape. Oh man, the drop-off point. It's a tricky one. So I subtract something, and I'm storing 2. The question is, you collect one thing, but you could also collect more things, of course. So yeah, no, I should... Yes. Right. Subtract. Right. Dictionary. Use inventory. For each key. Inventory, compare value. Now, this is gonna be a very tricky one. I will try to focus for 5 minutes. Before I focus, what I'm trying to build is... Let's show this a little bit bigger. What I'm trying to build is, you collect different kind of resources, right? And you have a task, like say you have mining. And with mining you can collect different kind of resources, and probably at some point you will mine a rock, and that rock will spawn different kind of items. So those items will go into your inventory, and all those items will have a connection with mining because they are only spawned because of mining. And what I want to do, like right now you just drop one thing. What I want to do is, when you go to the drop-off point and you drop off those stuff, that your inventory is being scanned for all the items that are connected to the mine task, so that you know, all those items that are subtracted, not just one, but all the items that are connected to your current task of mine. So that means you're not dropping off any food, but solely, in this case, just a stone that you have. But I need to make something that will check which items belong to this task and solely subtract those items and the value that you currently hold, drop it off to the drop-off point. So I need to scan the inventory, basically. So let's let's try to make a beginning. And also I need to check the inventory of the chicken itself. And I kind of messed it up because that should have been made easier though. Damn, there's a different way to do that. A different way that is way easier. That's for another time. I will make this first. First value of the current key. Your brother worked at a programming company. He might be able to help you. Solinator. I think I know like what I need to do to build it, but I just need to get in the zone to do it. Hey Rambo Donut. What is the end goal? Currently, right now, there's no end goal. What you can do is type in !chicken. Yeah, I saw the video. But I haven't watched it yet though. So I need to probably rebuild the game again. Let's wait. 1 second, Rambo. I'm not sure why it wants me to rebuild the game. But if you type in chicken. There we go. If you type in chicken, and it should work. An egg will spawn, and that egg will hatch. And you will get a random chicken, and that is stored in a profile. And right now we solely you got a purple chicken. That's a rare chicken, Rambo. That's a very rare chicken. So you can right now say collect food, so !food or !mine to collect stone. And right now we are solely just bringing that to the drop-off point, and I'm fixing that right now, like how that actually works. Your chicken, I'm not sure what is happening with the purple chicken. There's a bug with the purple chicken. So am I doing something wrong with the animations? The walk. I'm checking to see if I can fix your chicken, Rambo. So that's correct. The walk is on a loop. And the action is no. So what is happening with the chicken? Loop is yes. That is no. Yeah, so that actually works. You can change that. So the purple chicken, the Rambo chicken, it has the name Rambo Donut. It has the task of food. But somehow it's stuck. Rambo Donut, could you try and type in !destroy and then respawn the chicken again with !chicken? I am curious, like, if it's stuck again. We have an issue with the purple chickens. And sometimes they just don't know what to do, or it seems like it is an issue with the purple chickens. So now I'm kind of curious, like, if you give the purple chicken a task, if that maybe messes it up, but you didn't give it a task in the beginning though. Yeah, so it's a weird one. I need to check. I need to check what is going on. But yeah, there's no current end goal right now. So we collect items. Yeah, it's weird. Sometimes it works and sometimes it doesn't. But it seems that the purple chickens often get stuck in some sort of loop. But today we fixed the inventory, like you know, just a text on the left, and I was trying to do something to build it. Blue chicken is normal, purple chicken is Bucky, demon chicken is admin, yellow chicken tick chick. Yeah. And I think after. And that's not something that I'm gonna build today. Like there's an issue with the stone, with collecting. That's what I'm trying to fix right now. What I do want to implement is something like trees or other minerals. So I'm trying to fix the resource dropping right now, and the goal right now, like for this prototype, is that we are able to build a coop together, like a chicken coop. And for that we need resources, and then once we get to those resources we will build the chicken coop. So that's the idea. But you know, I'm working on the inventory right now and just checking how to manage that and actually make a nest. That could be possible. I think on the list is actually like egg breeding, so that goes along with that idea. I will put it in quotes. Can you make a spawn point for chicken? Well, it might be so they spawn in a nest. Well, currently you spawn as an egg, but yeah, it could be possible. Extra feed. Yeah, egg in a nest. We could. That's possible. Solinator. Just have an egg in a nest, and then the egg explodes. Huge explosion. Okay, I need to check this. This is the last thing that I want to do for now. Maybe. So I need to check that with and then also at the same time I need to check if the first one this might work. It's probably something that I will try out off stream though, because it's not necessarily too complicated though, but no. String value of the item type, if it's similar to not a type, but a task. And then add type. Maybe this works. So Once that happens, it will check the dictionary for the first key. I'm just going over it. When do you get channel points on your Twitch channel? I don't know. That must be something what you that you get when you are an affiliate. I think, or I hope so, because becoming a partner will take a lot of time. Affiliate, I will check it out. Let's see. So you got the bits, qualifies. I think when you become an affiliate. So yeah, and now hopefully that's maybe I will reach that goal within a month or so. To give your chicken a party head or whatever. Yeah, so, I think Solinator also was asking about the channel points. I do not know like how that works and like how I can retrieve that data, like if you have channel points. But yeah, it would be cool. Would be cool to check that out, because so far like the game is solely reading the chat for the commands, and I don't know like how you can retrieve that data, like the channel points, and that's not something that I can do right now. Yeah. One day we will remember when chickens were only with stone and food without tool. Yeah, you're right, Solinator. One day when this game will be an official Steam game. Well, to make this into an actual working game, we need some more time. A lot more time. Let's keep it simple. Online multiplayer, yeah, online multiplayer deathmatch. Chicken deathmatch. Massive multiplayer. Let's do it all. Let's do it all. Battle Royale. I'm not sure how much something like a Nightbot can do. Yeah, I think something is possible with Streamlabs. Yeah. If there's something with Streamlabs that you can type in the chat, and that I need to check more on Streamlabs on the Cloudbot. But I do think there's also something with points with that bot. So if it's a matter of you typing in the chat like, hey, spend points or whatever you have to do that, then the game could respond on that. Yeah. But I need to read up on it. I like this song. Not sure how I made it. It's simple, but I like it. Yeah, maybe just different points than actual Twitch channel points. Yeah. Yeah, well, what is possible though is I can make a VIP list, so I can give people different kind of commands, and those VIP, you know, it's a separate VIP list than the list from Twitch. But I'm able to actually say like, hey, for example, Rambo Donut, you're a VIP, and you are now allowed to use these types of commands. We had one where you were able to make some sounds with chicken. It's just a matter of like reading the chat and seeing what happens. But I could also make profiles, so the game actually stores profiles right now, but solely what type of chicken that you have. But we could also collect points based on like how much food or how much you have mined. So it would actually be possible to make it so that your chicken might level up and has access to different type of tasks. What I do want to find out though is if I can do something like, hey, if you type in !mine and then alongside also send a mine stone, so that you can be more specific in what you can actually mine. Like in the beginning maybe it's just random, but that you are allowed to say !mine space and then send along the thing that you actually want to mine to be more effective with the construction of whatever the heck is being built. But you know, that's... I need to fix the inventory first. Let's fix the inventory first. At least the food collecting is working, but yeah, your chicken is stuck again. It's really weird. Thanks for letting me know. I will check the debugger here and see what is actually going on. Like, you are stuck in the idle animation. The task is food and you're collecting. That's correct. Yeah, so I think one of the issues is that there's no timer running. Like, there's a small idle timer. Still missed 12 food. There's a small idle timer, and I also do not see the timer running. So the chicken should have access to the timer. Yeah, otherwise it would not have worked before. It is really weird. Let's see if it's actually like, is it trying to find a path? Maybe it didn't succeed in finding a path to walk to. And it's just like stuck right now because also no timer is running. Okay, inventory. Yeah, really, this is the last thing that I want to do. It's too fun, this project, but it's also kind of like so much is possible. I need to maybe find out if there's a for debugging like a command just to make it so that your chicken is not stuck anymore. Let's see if the camera actually works, the zoom in camera. Let's see, it works though, but it is not. Okay. I was saying that I was gonna fix the inventory, but I also need to check this out. Why is the camera not working? So it is calling the camera. Camera. This is my own music, but I think maybe someday soon I need to maybe make some music for the game. But yeah, people wanted to have some music, so because of the DMCA, I was like, let's play my music. So this is music from 5 years ago. Oh, oh. See, at least with my music, I don't get any copyright stuff. Make the BPM. Kind of close. Oh no, on my end it actually works with the idle animation. Yeah, again, it's weird, like if the game loses focus, it's not picking up. Could you type in chicken again, beta spaghetti, and see if it works? Second delay. Right. So let's. I'm gonna check and see if I can fix the camera zoom, and then I will rebuild the game. Camera zoom. So there's that. ES main debug. It is calling that. Yeah, right. Stupid. So let's do this. I think the zoom, camera zoom should work. Just had a small typo. Right. I don't think I'm gonna fix this. Oh my god. Let's see. I'm gonna test one more thing. My brain is melting. And I think that's gonna do it then. Let's spawn a chicken. And I need to fix the inventory, but that's something that I need to do off stream because it requires me to like reboot the game quite a few times. Let's. Am I collecting something? No. No. I see. My brain is right. I'm typing exclamation mark stone. Right. Yeah, I'm almost closing up here. Spawn rook. Yeah, this is something that I need to fix offline. There we go. Turning off the music. Yeah, that's gonna do it. I need to fix that inventory thing, and I need to make it so I need to make it a little bit more complex and complicated, just so that we are able to do a few more things, and that's gonna take a while and require some focus. And I'm kind of tired right now. I'm gonna go and exercise for a bit. I need some fresh air. That's what I need. And a shower. And then tonight I ordered some sushi, so I'm gonna eat something very nice. So tonight I will be back, and I am gonna boot up Alan Wake. So no Metal Gear, but I'm gonna play some Alan Wake tonight. I think I will start around 8 p.m. or so. Maybe play for 2 hours Alan Wake. Yeah, there's that. And tomorrow night it's Warzone with the Payme, Stroomkabel, and Queenie. We're gonna squad up. Squad up. The time here right now, if you're talking about it, it's 4 p.m. But it has been a long day and a hectic week. So yeah, so thanks for hanging out, and also thanks for the new follows again. It's 5 p.m. Yeah, it's 4 here, but it feels like it's 10 or so, like late at night. Thanks for all the suggestions for the chicken project. You know, it's inventory right now, but you know, I have taken some notes. Not sure, maybe in the weekend stream some more chicken thing. Good to hear you enjoyed the stream, Solinator. Yeah, I'm happy that the equipment is working though. That's kind of like a fun, a nice addition to the project. All right. Anything else? No. See you all later. Bye bye. Chickens.